Also, I don't know. Is it even fun to watch VODs where there's no music? Wait, that might be puke. Hold on. Oh, that was bad. Oh my god.
Why are you following me?
Sure. What about non-humanoid aliens? They look like... They look like giant jellyfish. Oh, Jesus. 7 out of 10. Rate 5 Gamescom because I'm scared of it. I saw... I missed this. Lift. Wow, that was so good. Jesus. Oh my god. That was so clean. That was a good one. What is that? Am I bleeding somewhere? Itchy. Okay. Got it. So, got locked out on my 2-step. Wait. Wait. Yeah, I've been working on the assets. That was weak. Okay, wait, hold on. Oh, relics at the cost of respawning all basic enemies in the world. Like, cool. Sit next to me or whatever, and I'm like, my thoughts were burp. Dry stitching stream. Construction work. 3 houses behind mine. I have a burp. Sedy, what happens when you untie the ribbon? It's not stuck to the ribbon. This is just for show.